Hi Colorado, this is Cleat your home appliance guy. I'm coming to you today with another good deal. This is what I'd call one of my top best buys this month. This is January. I'm in Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom today. So what I try to do is bring you some jewels every now and then. They're kind of hidden. So this set right here, it's really cool. It's actually got a real big sale price. This is why I'm bringing it to you. It's one of the most highly featured products that you can find in terms of a washer and dryer. It's made by Samsung. It's the WA54M 8750W or AW, and then the DVE 54M 8750W. So this is a really nice high efficiency top load set. It does extremely well. It's always sold very good. And now we're at the point where we're going to start seeing some closeout buys on this, and this has actually happened in this store. So I think it's worth going through a little product review for you. So why is this so special? One, it uses almost no water. I mean, it's very, very little water. I think the average water that a regular standard washer uses is about 50 gallons of water. Imagine how many milk jugs that is. Well, these things typically use about 12 to 13 gallons of water when they're high efficiency, so it doesn't use much, and it also scores very highly in how it cleans your clothes. This actually does a really good job, believe it or not, of doing the laundry. So it is big. It is a 5.4 cubic foot. It's actually really large. Some of the things that I like about it, well, you kind of see it right here. This is a little bit awkward until you open it up and you realize that this washer comes with a sink. You can actually put your clothes in there. If you hit this button right here, a water fountain of water will come out there. Fill that clothes up. Put your set of jeans in there or something that you need extra care with, and just let it soak. Let it soak in some soapy water, and that'll really help out when it's time to wash it. So, and when you're done, you just lift that up, and it drains the water out. Then you can pick it up and drop it in. That is very unusual. Now, the only disadvantage is it does make it a little taller. So shorter folks might need to get on the step stool to reach all the way in, just being honest with you. But it's really large. The other nice thing about this being so large, it will work with a full family size. Whatever you got will go in there. In my house, we have this, and it's we have a California king size comforter. We're able to wash it just fine. So also I want to show you the way their drums are, the way these bubbles are in the drum. That makes it extra gentle for the way the clothes are washed. That keeps the clothes from falling in those little bitty holes that tend to get snagged. So this is one of those better drums you see. You can see your soap and fabric softener will go in here. It's really easy to do. Your bleach goes in right here. So it's very easy to operate, very similar to what you've already done. Some of the other features that make it different is that this has got a steam setting on there. This one actually has a built-in water heater into it, which is very rare in the industry. So that means it's going to get your clothes nice and hot when you want it. And what does that do for you? Well, at a certain temperature, it kills bacteria. Some of the other things about it that I like, it's got a Wi-Fi connectivity on it. So that means you can be sitting in your living room while your laundry's going, and you can see how much more time's left for the wash cycle to be done. So a really nice thing. It has other features on it, like it's self-clean. It'll actually remind you on its own every now and then that it's time to run a self-clean cycle. So you don't have to do any kind of loads inside there. You don't have to put any soap in there. You just allow it to do its self-clean cycle, and it'll start going through gyrations that clean itself up. So that's really handy. And then other things it does, well, it's got Echo Smart. That means it's going to use the least amount of energy that you would use on a washer. So I mean, it's just really good. Why am I bringing this to you? As you can see, the market price on this is $10.79, but at Appliance Factory right now, it's on sale for $6.97. And the dryer, the same thing. This is a matching dryer for this. It's the same price, $6.97, not $10.79 like we have it everywhere else. And look at the size of that dryer. Look at that stainless steel drum. That is going to handle whatever you can force in here to wash. So as long as you're getting the matching dryer, you're just fine. And this is a steam dryer, which I love. I just take my clothes in, and when they're a little bit wrinkled, I'll throw them back in there, run it on a steam refresh, and the clothes come out without wrinkles. So really nice, very highly rated. and a super sell, its sell price, which shoots it back to the top of my list. All right. Again, this is the WAM 8750. I'm sorry, WA54M 8750, and the DVE 54M 8750. And you'll find this at the competition right now for $10.79. I think that's the price all the way through Martin Luther King holiday. And the price at Appliance Factory is $6.97.